Hey there, model builders. It's Mike here with Aristotle's Miniatures. Today, I'm going to give you an overview on the Metallic Decals 1/144th Vultee P-66 Vanguard. Metallic Decals has begun releasing a number of 3D printed aircraft kits in 1/144th that address a number of more unique and obscure aircraft designs from aviation history. The small scale of 1/144th and the results possible from 3D printing are a match made in heaven. For a company like Metallic Decals, this marriage is further amplified with access to photetch, decals, and vacuforming. The result is a kit that, when complete, would rival many mass-produced injection-molded kits. This kit includes a set of color instructions, a decal sheet with markings for 2 aircraft, a small photetch fret with 17 pieces, and 3 clusters of 3D printed parts encompassing 9 pieces and 2 vacuformed canopies with replacement plugs. Overall, I find the kit to be a beautiful representation of the P-66. Thanks to 3D printing, details like intakes, support struts, and panel lines are extremely sharp and fine. The incorporation and inclusion of photetch and vacuform parts into the design and kit is a huge upside for a 1/144th kit and will assuredly help achieve a beautiful end result. If I had to fuss about anything, there are 2 areas where I feel the kit could be improved. First is the design of the printed fuselage. For those that are over the top with detailing on their Braille scale builds, the single-piece fuselage, control surfaces, cockpit, and engine severely limit those detailing opportunities without major surgery. CAD design and 3D printing allow for the ability to have broken the aircraft up into a couple major pieces that could be more intricately detailed. I view that as an opportunity missed here. The single-piece fuselage ensures that the supports from resin printing will be on exterior surfaces. The cleanup for these supports will be a tedious affair to avoid sanding off details from the belly. A multi-piece print would not only improve the opportunities for detailing, but help reduce the tedious cleanup process on exterior panels from the supports left from the 3D printing process. The other nitpick I would point out is the lack of canopy framing on the canopy piece. The vacuform canopy is a huge bonus for this kit, as the thin walls created by vacuforming surpass injection molding, which provides a huge benefit at this tiny scale. I foresee masking the canopy to be an issue for builders, though, as there is nothing to go by. The inclusion of framing on the canopy or a masking set would be a welcome addition for this kit. All in all, I think this is a beautifully done kit, and for those interested in unique or obscure subjects, Metallic Decals would be a good place to check out for my fellow Braille scale modelers.